What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, in this video, I am so excited to show it to you guys because we are going to be doing loop rods today. These are loop rods. This is what they look like. This video will be extremely beginner friendly. We are all in different walks of life in our journey, and we are all at different stages of our hair journey. So this is going to be extremely beginner friendly because we do have people who are just starting out their hair journeys and have no clue what to do. I was one of them, and so were you. So guys, this is going to be extremely fun today and interesting, and this is also going to be super easy and quick as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. I did put my hair up so I can just tell you what I used on it in the shower. So guys, I did go in with a shampoo. This is the Amazon Hair Day from the Main Choice. This was from the Valentine's Day box collection. Let me know if you guys purchased it and below in the comments and what you guys think. I then went in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask from Shea Moisture. This is heaven. I let this sit on my hair for like 10 minutes while I wash my body, so I use this as my deep conditioner. And then I lastly left out the shower with my leave-in, and this is also from the Amazon Hair Day collection. So right now, all I have in my hair is just this leave-in, and it's holding up pretty well. So the only thing that you would need is some sort of detangling brush. I have here my Phila Leatherwood brush. I highly recommend you guys go and purchase this because it doesn't pull out any of my hair, and it's super easy, and it just does the job, and it's durable. I like it, easy to clean. What else can you say? It's a detangling brush, and it does the damn job. And we will also be using some type of mousse today. I recommend you guys use whatever works on your hair when you are using some type of styling tool like a perm rod or a flexi rod. In this case, we're using a loop rod, but I highly recommend you use mousse or whatever works best with your hair when you're doing a rod set. Alright, let's go ahead and start parting. So guys, loop rods are awesome because if you have long hair or medium length hair like I do, these create a really tiny, tight spiral curl. It is like a Shirley Temple tight curls. You can do so many different hairstyles with this, and I love this because it's so versatile. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I am going to go ahead and do the back section first, and then I will meet you guys in the front so I can demonstrate how to put these in, but stay tuned. Okay guys, so I did just finish the back section. It's complete, and I'm going to go ahead and take down the front section so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and just part a good old side, a nice chunk right here. So this is going to be broken down into 3 sections. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take 1 pump of my mousse. But here it is. I'm going to take my Phila Leatherwood brush and just brush it through so it's nice and straight. We'll be using the pink ones now. What you need to do is, I have these rapid styling strips right here. I'll link these below, but they're just like the styling strips that you put on. You can get them from like any beauty supply store. I did just chop them up into little pieces, and I'm going to be using them so the ends lay flat and they don't come loose once they start to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and just position it on there how I need to. Wrap the ends on. And then I'm going to take one of these little strips and wrap that around it. Just like that. Wrapped it around. And then I'm just going to start to twist my hair up. And then naturally it's going to fall in place. Just like that. And you roll it on up. And that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that one more time. All you need is 1 pump per section. Go ahead and put that bad boy on there. Then you take your Phila Leatherwood, smooth it out. It's already detangled, so my hair does not need a lot of brushing. Take one of your pink loop rods and start to wrap it on at the end. Just like that. You just take your little strip, place it on there just like so, and then I just start to wrap, and naturally it wraps. Wrapping. Guys, see that? Naturally it just wraps up. I'm going to keep going all the way to the top and then loop it shut. All right, let's keep going. So guys, you can see how easy this process is. I'm going to keep rolling and go ahead on to my last side of my head, and I will see you guys soon. Guys, can you believe I'm finally finished? It didn't take that long to do because it was a simple process and a repetitive process, but I hope that you guys got the gist of it when I showed you an example. I am going to go ahead and allow this to air dry just because I do have time. We all got time right now. So I am going to go ahead and air dry this, and then I'll come back when it's fully dry, probably tomorrow. Take it out. I don't know. I got time. But I'll see you guys on AsAlwaysAleia. And if you have not already, please like, subscribe, share, do what you got to do. Hey. Alright guys, I am back. It is the next day. I hope my hair is fully dry. Let me first start off by saying I slept horribly. OMG. It was so bad. If you guys can, I would recommend sitting under a blow dryer or some type of hooded dryer and let them dry and take them out, because look, one already popped open. You don't want to sleep in these. I don't know if it was my pillows or what, but I was twisting and turning all night long, and that is not okay. So we're gonna hope and pray that these are 100% dry. Okay, so I am gonna start taking these out. I'm just gonna go ahead and start in the back. You just have to pop it open and unravel it away from your scalp. You can probably just go like this too. You guys are probably like, what the heck is she doing? Hold on, I got it. All right, look at that. Okay, so here's the next one. This one was already open. I just unravel it a little bit till I'm able to unravel it. And that's how it's coming out. Unravel, unravel, unravel. And this thing literally stays on it the whole time. Even on the last one, like the little black things that I put on. But do you see why it was a good idea to put the strips on there? If I didn't, they would have not came out like this. This one looks a little crazy, but these two, they aight. They aight. after taking like 50,000 of these out, my hair is finally finished. This is the final look. These are gonna last such a long time. It was super easy to do, super easy to install, super easy to take out. You can see that the styling strips are still on most of them. They stayed on there. I would highly suggest that you use styling strips so your ends are just like as perfect as the rest of the shaft and the root. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm so excited. My hair is nice and short and bouncy and just cute and fun, and I can do so many different styles with this hair, like the some up, some down look. I love short curls on me. I love long curls. I love that my hair is just versatile. So you guys have seen it all from start to finish on how I do my loop rods. And yeah, that's the final look, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.